Is your air conditioner not performing as it used to? Is your house still hot and muggy even with your AC on? Are your utility bills higher than ever? Are you on the fence of whether to repair or replace your air conditioner? If you answered yes to any of these questions, it might be time to consider investing in a new air conditioner. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. We have installed thousands of air conditioners over the years and understand that making the decision to replace your air conditioner can be exhausting. In this video, we'll answer the most commonly asked questions regarding air conditioner installation. Who should consider installing a new air conditioner? Should I repair or replace my air conditioner? What are the benefits of replacing my air conditioner? How much does it cost to install a new air conditioner? And finally, what are the next steps? By the end of this video, we hope to have answered all your questions and help you start your journey on buying the right air conditioner for your home and comfort level. Knowing whether you need to have a new air conditioner installed or if you can get by with your current system can be tricky. If you're within the warranty of your current system, you may just need a tune-up or a repair. However, if your system is older or requires a major repair, it may be more cost-effective to simply replace it. Other indicators it could be time to replace your air conditioner could include noticing higher than usual energy bills or a dip in your comfort. Your air conditioner is over 10 years old, you have long-term plans of being in your home and want to maximize comfort and reduce energy costs. If you've experienced any of these examples, it might be time to consider a new air conditioner. Most air conditioners have a life expectancy of 15 to 20 years, but like all machines, they can break down and require repairs. When repairs become too cost prohibitive, replacing your air conditioner may be a better solution. An air conditioner has some major components that, if they fail, can be expensive to repair because of the cost of the equipment and labor. For example, if the compressor needs replaced, expect to pay $2,000 or more. If the evaporator fails, it could cost around $1,500 to replace. Similarly, if the condenser fails, the cost would be about the same. In addition to the larger components, the smaller components like the electrical system can range between $300 and $800 to repair. Lastly, the type of refrigerant your system uses should be taken into account. If your system uses an older refrigerant like R22 that's no longer being produced due to its effect on the environment, adding refrigerant charge could be very costly. A new air conditioner comes with many benefits. Some of those may include less stress from the old system, higher efficiency and reduced utility bills. Your home will be more comfortable. You'll have long-term warranty on the system. The system will likely run quieter, and others. Knowing these benefits may help you make your decision. How much does it cost to install a new air conditioner? The only way to know the exact cost of an air conditioner installation is to schedule an in-home estimate with an experienced professional. During the in-home estimate, a load calculation is performed to determine the right size air conditioner for your home. There are many factors that go into the cost of installing a new air conditioner, such as the size or capacity of the unit, the SEER rating, additional accessories, labor, permits, and any applicable rebates. Based on these factors and your individual needs, your estimate could fall into one of these three categories. Entry-level air conditioners range from $4,800 to $7,000. Mid-range options can range between $5,400 and $8,500. Lastly, high-end models range between $7,000 and $12,500. At Fire and Ice, all of our estimates include the cost of equipment, labor, and any additional fees. Choosing to have a new air conditioner installed is not a decision to take lightly. It's a significant investment financially and can impact your home's indoor comfort for the next 20 years or more. If you want more information on air conditioners, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.